Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you both either and neither. So guys, when we talk about two persons, two places or two things, we use both either or neither. But what do we use when we talk about three or more than three persons, places or things? That's another video. So guys, the difference among both either and neither is when we talk about two persons, two places, two things as a whole, we will use both. When we talk about one out of two, we will use either, and when we talk about none out of two, we will use neither. Guys, we can use them as pronouns, as adjectives, or you can also call them determiners, and as paired conjunctions. So let's use them one by one. As pronouns, when you don't see a noun after both either or neither, they will function as pronouns. That's the first identification. The second one, when you see of plus plural noun or plural pronoun after both either or neither, they will function as pronoun. Let's use them in examples. Example, Samad and Gulmakai are cousins. Now, remember one thing, pronoun is used when a noun is clear. So here we have one noun, Samad, and another noun, Gulmakai. We are talking about two persons. Example, both are Afghan. Here, both means Samad and Gulmakai. Now, both is not followed by a noun. So, it functions as a pronoun here because nouns are already clear. Another example, either is poor. Either means if Samad is poor, Gulmakai is not poor. If Samad is not poor, then she is poor. Means one of them is poor. Neither has a mobile. Neither means Samad doesn't have a mobile, she doesn't have a mobile either. So, either and neither are not followed by a noun. You cannot see a noun here. You see a verb. So, they function as pronoun. Now, how to use of plus plural noun or plural pronoun with both either and neither? Let's have another example. Another example. Police arrested Ali and Wali. Again, we are talking about two persons. I know both of them. Now, both means I know Ali and I know Wali. Here, both is followed by of plus plural pronoun. So, it functions as pronoun. Another example, either of them had a gun. Now, one of them had a gun. If Ali had a gun, Wali didn't have. If Ali didn't have, Wali had. Means one of them. Neither of them was smoking. Ali was not smoking, Wali was not smoking. None of them was smoking. As adjectives or as determiners. Ladies and gentlemen, when you see plural noun after both, singular noun after either and neither, they function as adjectives, or you can also call them determiners. Let's use them in examples. Both teams are playing well. There's a match between two teams, and I'm talking about both of them. Both teams are playing well. Teams is a noun. Another example, Ali will marry either sister. Either sister means there are two sisters and Ali will marry one of them. I can give you neither bike. It means I have two bikes and I cannot give you either of them. As paired conjunctions, when you see and with both in a sentence or with either in a sentence nor with neither in a sentence, they function as paired conjunction. And I hope you know the meaning of paired. Paired means two, couple. So they are in pair. Let's use them in examples. Examples. Ali plays cricket. Ali watches cricket. Now, in these two examples, we have Ali in common, cricket in common. Plays and watches are two different actions. So we are going to combine these two verbs with the help of paired conjunctions. Number one, Ali both plays and watches cricket. Both and. It means Ali plays and watches cricket. He performs both actions. Ali either plays or watches cricket. It means he performs one of them. If he plays, he doesn't watch. If he doesn't play, he watches one of them. Ali neither plays nor watches cricket. It means that he does not perform either action.